The door.
More residents, and we're rolling.
Yeah, can we cross it across the room?
Is that on my vision?
Yours and
What's the camera for?
right there. Oh, we left Emily out. Oh, no. Alright, do y'all have any questions? How do you want to start this?
I don't know. How do you
Okay. Is there anybody here with us tonight? If you would like to speak to anybody in this room, come to the blue glowing light and we can hear you through that.
John, are you here tonight with me?
Tom, you have something in your hand?
A flashlight.
Oh, set it down for me. You got me with a
Can you tell us again? John, are you here with us? Repeat what you just said. I'm John. Did you hear that? Is there anything you want to say to anybody? I don't know what questions. Do y'all want to ask him any questions?
John, are you okay? Are you okay?
Nervous.
They're not here to hurt you or to get rid of you. I just want to prove that you are here with me.
Sure.
Not sure. What are you nervous about? I need to keep this. So we can
Everything's
hear it on
okay,
the-
John.
You don't be worried about us.
Are you worried about a person? I am.
What are you worried about?
Did you say my brother?
What's his name, John? Which brother are you worried about? Which brother are you worried about, John?
Is there a bomb yet?
Temperature's still going up.
My temperature's dead steady going up.
Still?
No, it's not
It got
cold.
like really cold.
Temperature keeps going up. He's gonna be a warm spirit.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. He's warm. He doesn't bring cold. He's warm.
And I tried to ask him if he was coffee. Address him as coffee over there.
What do I say?
Coffee over here.
It's up to 73.
Papa, are you here?
Man.
John, remember what I said. I always love you. Always have and always will.
Did you hear it? Don't forget. Keith, you want to say something?
Matt, are you here with us?
Ask him about Jesse. Ask him if he's worried about Jesse.
Dad, are you worried about Jessica?
Whoa, did you hear that?
What?
He said that was a full sentence. He said, I'm worried about her. Why are you worried about her?
I'm not getting anything.
What about Kevin? Are you worried about Kevin? As soon as I asked that, it jumped from 72.8 to 73. 73.2.
Are you here to help protect me?
Stop saying there's 6 minutes left on this battery. Or that's how long we've recorded.
I think that's how long we've recorded.
Because it's bouncing between 5 and 6 minutes.
No, the battery, it'll come up with a little light right above where that one is.
John, I just want to know you're okay.
Temperature jumped up as soon as she's... I'm fine.
I heard that.
He said I'm fine.
Can you see again?
Battery.
He drained our battery?
That fast.
Can you see again, John?
Sound like it just said don't worry.
I think it just said I did right after. Don't worry. Okay, here, what? So hold it. Maybe talk to him a little bit.
John, you can stay here as long as you want. But I want you to be in the place that's best for you. You took care of us all this time. You did your best.
Can I record? Did you bring the cord, Megan?
You could stay here forever if you want to.
I might.
I might.
I hope to join you soon.
Stay.
Are you going to stay with me?
Can you adjust how fast it frequency cycles through or anything?
Yeah.
Can you speed it up?
I don't think so. That's as fast as it goes. Is there a
Baby, I just want you to
Plug
know I
in?
love you and always will.
Megan, will you check, make sure I got it right? No, not that, but
I miss you.
what's the significance of the tree? The big tree out there?
Did what?
What's the significance of the big tree out front?
Me and the kids planted it.
Right, 73 2. He stays at the tree a lot.
Why are you staying at the tree, baby?
I think it brings comfort. Did y'all do a lot of things around the tree?
Jesse plays around the tree.
No, she didn't.
Well, Megan, help us.
He took me out there one time. He was like, this tree's disgusting. I was like, okay.
I can get it in
The
there.
only thing would be just me and Kevin always play out there in the yard, but I mean, that's really about it.
He finds comfort in the tree. Did you just hear it? I know.
Sin.
John,
Okay.
you remember
Is there a
me and you
plug?
sitting at the tree? Is that what it is?
Keith.
Do you remember
Is
me
there
and
an
you
outlet
sitting out
around?
there at the tree?
I think so.
I did.
You heard it too?
No, and then right after he said something, it said I did.
Oh.